Today I am going to show you how to add custom font in Pixel Lab apps. That is very easy and simple trick we show in this tutorial video. So at first we start this video, you make sure like and subscribe this channel. After that you follow our Instagram and Twitter handle. So start this tutorial. At first we install some fonts. At first we go to the Chrome browser and get a new tab. Simply I get a new tab and search and go to the search bar and search English font. You can also search English normal ordinary font and stylish font also. The best stylish English font you can search also. I do not give any link of any font. This is copyrighted issue, therefore I do not give you these links. So simply see and watch and you do. Simply you saw the some that gives really free of any font download and install, and you use in your commercial and personal uses, no copyrighted. And this video you use the font space, sorry spelling I'm going to mistake it, fontspace.com. Simply click the font stylish font and you saw simply click the triple bar of your browser and go to the desktop side, because all stylish font how it is look. So you can go the desktop option and you can see that. And we download some font, and what can you do, simply zoom in your mobile. You can zoom the web page, and after side you can show the download option. Simply click here the download option. I can show you by this arrow. So follow my arrow. Simply click the zoom in and it's left side, and you can show the download option. Simply click the download option. So click here and I am clicking that, and can see the download has been successfully completed. After that you can download some fonts for your videos and tutorials. And so that go to your file manager, create a new, that is where you extract your font. Simply we need a folder where we extract our files. Simply if you have not any folder, simply we create any folder, and I have a folder which is fonts and so many fonts here. You can watch my latest video and about font, how to install Hindi font and Bengali fonts, so can you see and watch. After that what can you go to your Chrome and click the triple dot. Simply we click the triple dot and go to the download option, and you can see the Amsterdam Sweet Histoire Beauty Mountains. That is the zip file you can provide from this website. Click this font. After you can see the extract to file. Click that click the extract to file. Click here, and after that you choose your folder which I am for using this font, that is font and your folder. Click here your font and extract this file. After that you can follow this procedure and continue these steps. How many your fonts available in your download, and you can extract that. After complete that you can, after we are fast forwarding this step because it is too lengthy, so that is totally fast forwarded, you can see. After that go to your Pixel Lab apps. After what can you do, click the plus icon and go to a new text. Simply use a new text for your preview. Write anything what you see in your preview. After A option you see the double A font. Simply click here AB plus font. Simply click that and go to your my fonts and scroll down. Do not scroll down, and you saw the T option, T plus. Simply click here and go to which folder you extract this file. Simply go to our font folder, and where I extract my zip file, simply go to this folder and search my font file fonts where I extract this folder. I do not show here, but you can show that, but I have many more fonts, therefore I do not show that. I found my Amsterdam TTF file. Simply add to selection this step, and you can do this type, and simply we fast forward this because that is too lengthy processing, so you can show this. After that you can show you the final result of this font, how to add custom, that is you see that how it is working perfectly, and you can set your as you can wanted. So that is for today. Thanks for watching.